The Lost Kittens Adventure. In a quiet neighborhood, a tiny lost kitten named Whiskers embarked on a big adventure. Hungry and scared, Whiskers roamed the unfamiliar streets, his tiny paws padding softly on the pavement. He gazed up at the moonlit sky, wishing for a warm, loving home. Just then, a kind-hearted girl named Lily spotted him.
"Don't worry, little one. You're safe now."
Lily took Whiskers into her arms, and he purred contentedly, finding the love and home he had always yearned for. In each other's company, their hearts brimmed with happiness, completing a beautiful story of newfound friendship.